Hello everyone. This is a 22-inch Monte Carlo Mini installed in my bathroom in the cabin. As you can see, the bathroom is very small, so I don't have room for a whole lot in here. Obviously the shower will go here, toilet is there, sink will be here. And my plan is to drop this ceiling down to 7 feet, which would put it just above the door, and install this still without a light kit and put some recessed lights in. I think that would look good, and that would hide this J-box with all the wires in it. Anyway, this thing, it works really good. So yeah, well, it starts on high. I thought I had it off, but I guess not. Got an LED in there. It's flush mounted with just 2 screws, so that's what happens. Anyway, that's high. And medium. And low. And off. When I bought it, it had a light fitter but no shade. I got it at Habitat for 25 bucks, I think, or 20. I don't remember. Normally I wouldn't spend that much, but it's the cheapest I was ever going to find one of these for. Spin down takes a while, so I'm just going to give it some hand there. Anyway, like I said, Monte Carlo. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed.